guys, good morning. Just wanted to let you know it's quite cute, but we've got Bluey and Greenie just eating their seeds outside their cage. So I'm just going to flip the camera around. Do you just see them through the gaps? Some little budgies are Bluey and Greenie, and they're our new pet birds. So I just wanted to let you know that they're really cute, soft and vegetarian. Bye guys!